Today is our 35th episode for PSLE Math series on ABCD. In this PSLE Math series, we will be going through questions that PSLE students might find it difficult to solve. Today, we will be doing question 1 of worksheet 18. Just a side note, you will be able to find the link to the Google Docs for this question in the description below. Now, let's get started. At 7 a.m., Mr. Lee drove from Town Angsana and traveled towards Town Buttercup at an average speed of 75 km per hour. At 9 a.m., Mr. Tan drove from Town Buttercup towards Town Angsana at a constant speed until he passed Mr. Lee at 11 a.m. At this point, Mr. Lee had traveled 5/7 of the journey. After passing Mr. Lee, Mr. Tan decreased his speed by 10 km per hour for his remaining journey. What was the distance between the two towns? At what time did Mr. Tan reach Town Angsana? So, the first thing we are going to do would be to draw the diagram. Okay, so basically at 7 a.m., Mr. Lee drove towards Town Buttercup, which is B here, at 75 km per hour. Then at 9 a.m., Mr. Tan drove towards Angsana at a constant speed until 11 a.m., where he and Mr. Lee met over here. Okay, so at this point it's 11 a.m. and Mr. Lee has traveled 5/7 of the whole journey. Mr. Tan, after passing this point, decreased his speed by 10 km per hour. Okay, so given this, first we are supposed to calculate how long did Mr. Lee travels before meeting Mr. Tan. So basically, from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., this is actually 4 hours. Okay, then the distance at 11 a.m. for Mr. Lee would be equals to the hour times the speed, which gives us 300 km. Then the distance at 11 a.m. for Mr. Tan, because this will be 5 units of the total 7 units. So basically, I will just need 300 divided by 5 times 2. Because 300 is 5 units, now I need to find how much is 2 units. And this will give us 120 km. Therefore, part A asks for the total distance. This will be equal to the sum of these two values, which will be equal to 300 km plus 120 km, which gives us 420 km. Okay? Then, the O speed of Mr. Tan will be this distance traveled divided by the time taken for this part, which is the distance traveled is 120 km divided by. Okay, so let's calculate the time. From 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., it will be 2 hours. Therefore, I divide by 2 hours, I'll get 60 km per hour. Okay, then the new speed of Mr. Tan will be equal to the old speed minus 10, which gives us 50 km per hour. Ta-da! That's the answer for question 1. Part A will be over here, part B will be over here. The question that we just went through is question 1 of worksheet 18. There's 2 more questions available, which are question 3 and question 2. Okay, the solution for question 2, part A will be 600, part B will be 950. Oh, I'm so sorry, I forgot to write in that. Did I forgot to write in? Oh, at what time did Mr. Tan reach Angsana? So sorry. Let's go back to the question. Okay, so the news speed is 50 km/h. Then the time taken would be equals to the remaining distance, which is 300 km, divided by the news speed, which is 50, and this will give us 6 hours. From this point, 11 AM, 6 hours later, we will get 5 PM. Ta-da! The answer for part B will be over here. Okay. Okay, let's repeat again, okay? The question that we just went through is question 1 of worksheet 18. There's 2 more questions available, and the solution for question 2 is 600 and 915 respectively. The solution for question 3 will be 1100, 58 and 2/3, and 1030 respectively. If you need help to solve question 3, feel free to browse our channel later where we upload the solution for question 3. In the meantime, feel free to drop us an email if you got any challenging questions. You also welcome comments and feedback. Our contact details are in the description below. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and remember to subscribe for more. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. We hope that you have learned this concept, and here's Miss J signing off.